Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be doing an MCM unboxing along with a stocking stuffer haul, and I'm going to be showing you guys my last minute Christmas gifts I received. So make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so first things first, we're going to start with the MCM unboxing. Okay, and one thing I love about MCM boxes is that, y'all, it always says MCM on the inside. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all see what just happened? Y'all know I be struggling when it comes to unboxing, so let me open this box a little bit and then I'm gonna bring it back for you guys because we can't have no more mishaps like that. Okay guys, so now the box is finally open. So, God, y'all, hold on. Jeez. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. Yeah, again, I told y'all it's always gonna say MCM on the inside. It comes with this cute little thank you envelope. And y'all, this was actually a last minute Christmas gift. This was actually gifted to me. But yes, this is the box. And y'all, oh my gosh. The little card. We have the little MCM dust bag. Slides are so cute. I love fur. Oh my, hold on. This fur is so soft. Okay, hold on. And then it has the MCM logo in gold. Y'all know I'm a gold girl, as y'all can see. Y'all, I definitely can't wait to wear these. Okay, I'm so in love with these slides. But moving forward, we have this Coach perfume gift set as well. It was upside down. But yeah, we have this Coach perfume gift set, and this is actually called Coach Dreams, guys. And it comes with the perfume, the lotion, and then the little roll-on. And let's smell this beauty right here. Hold on, y'all. If I can get her out the box. Hold on. Okay, hold on, y'all. I know y'all probably be like, what is wrong with this girl? But, okay. All right. Ooh, hold on, y'all. I feel like I'm about to sneeze. Okay. Yeah, this is actually a fruity floral. You can definitely smell the oranges. And then it has some gardenia in it along with floral arrangements. It smells good, y'all. Definitely can't spray too much of that, y'all, because I feel like I'm about to sneeze, but this right here was definitely a good gift. Yeah, and y'all know my favorite color is pink, so that right there said enough. I was also gifted, hold on y'all, okay, let's do one thing at a time. This cute little lotion set, and it came with toasty almond. Oh yeah, I cannot read through this. Cheers. But it came with toasty almond, spice cider, winter mint, sugar plum, and vanilla sugar. And this is actually by Body Prescriptions. Y'all know I love a good hand cream. I always keep one in my purse. This is a Nicole Miller lipstick set. It comes with some lipsticks and a lip liner as well. And then I also got this cute little clutch. Y'all know I love a good bag, and y'all know I love diamonds. Yeah. This would have been real cute New Year's Day, even though I didn't do anything. Yeah, this would have been real cute. I definitely can't wait to style her, get into the details of this. And then the back is like black with silver sparkles as well. Okay, y'all, so like I said, y'all know I love hand creams. So I received more hand creams, and these are from Bath and Body Works. This is actually coconut candy apple. This one is the vanilla buttercream. And then I also got the Pure Wonder as well. And then I also got some cute little rings from H&M. Y'all, these were so inexpensive too. We got some silver ones, as you guys can see, only $4. Definitely couldn't beat that. Then I got these gold ones. Y'all know I'm a gold girl. These were only $2. Then I also got these. These were $3. And then these as well. And these were $3 too. I definitely need to get some silver because I only wear gold, and I'm like, sometimes I want to switch it up a little bit. So yeah. Then I got a cute little card. Yeah, Merry Christmas card, and it had a little gift, some money. Yes, gonna go on a cute little shopping spree maybe, we'll see. And then shout out to my mom because she brought it back. Okay, this gave me so many memories. She gave me this cute black holiday Barbie. Yeah, she is beautiful. She has the braids and all of that. So when I was younger, every year my mom used to get me a holiday Barbie. And yeah, I used to be mad because I was not able to open those Barbie dolls up. But I have a full collection. I might do a collection on those Barbie dolls one day. We'll see. But yeah, I should definitely start collecting Barbie dolls. Yeah, I definitely recommend it because they're gonna be worth some money some years later. So yes, and make sure y'all don't open a box. But then last but not least, I got this cute little set as well. So these are some green leggings, and it says Weekend Collective. And then I also got this cute little sweatshirt to match as well. This is the front, and then the back says Weekend Collective. And this set goes perfectly with my sage topher. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. I don't have any clothes like this. Y'all, I'm always dressed up. So I was definitely thankful when I got this set because I'm always struggling. When somebody say dress down, I never know what to wear, okay? So this is definitely going to be perfect. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.